Ever wondered what it's like inside a massive snowstorm? It's more than just a snow day. Snowstorms, or blizzards, are powerful winter storms with strong winds and heavy snowfall, making it super hard to see. They form when cold, dry air from the north meets warm, moist air from the south. This clash creates clouds and precipitation, and if the temperature is below freezing, you get snow, lots and lots of snow. Some of the biggest snowstorms in history have dumped several feet of snow in just a day, creating stunning, quiet, white landscapes. Nature's power is truly amazing, isn't it? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cool facts.